So how about an off-the-cuff channel update? So like I said before, maybe you caught it in my other videos, the model planes are kind of a secondary hobby for me. I'm more versed in restorations on motorcycles and cars. So this has been my project. I bought this car last May. It's now February. And there was nothing left of this car. It's a 69 Charger RTSE. It's a 440 automatic car. It is worth saving. So just a rundown real quick on what I did. And it's hard to do it real quick. There was nothing left of the car. Like I said, it's been a long project. So we've got inner and outer rocker panels, the torsion bar support, floors, rear floor, this door pillar, both quarter panels, outer wheel houses, rear frame rails, trunk extensions, the rear, yeah, this panel right here, the Dutchman panel. There's a lot of names for it. Like I said, both quarters, the tail panel, rear valance, inner valance, and as I said, the frame, rails, and cross members back here. So this has been, yeah, a lot of every day, maybe a couple or a few hours a day, whatever I can put up with. But I just really needed to get one more chance at a 69 Dodge Charger. This is my second, and I've had 68 and I've had a 70 and a 72, 3 and 4, but the 69 was always my favorite. So the chassis right now is done, everything welded. I got all the supports cut out. There was a lot of supports inside of this car to keep it square and keep things from moving around when I welded it. But right now we're on to the front subframe and control arms, and these are going in for powder coating real soon. So I've been flying some this is and that's. Nothing exciting though. I mean, why make a video of me flying my little turbo timber unless you guys want to see it? You know, I will be putting up more videos on with my model planes. I got some cool stuff coming this summer yet. But to me, it's just not, I don't know, it's just difficult to make a video of me just flying around doing nothing exciting. A maiden's one thing, or maybe an update on a model once in a while, but I did make a bunch of videos on this car. So I have got footage and videos of this car with no floor and no rockers. Well, this rocker was in it. I did that rocker first and then gutted it and welded reinforcements across everything to hold it. So I've got a video series coming up to put on the channel, and just something different. I hope it's fun for you guys to watch. I hope you can dig it. Being maybe the coolest muscle car ever made, the 69 Dodge Charger. I think everyone likes them unless you're, you know, a Mopar hater. I am loyal to none. I pretty much like everything out there, even my imports. So anyway, this is a channel update. Don't know really what else to say. I don't have any new builds going on the workbench in the house. This has pretty much taken all of my time. You know, whatever, if I get out and move around for a few hours, I spend it out here, and with help from people with lifting and things like that, I've been able to make this happen. So, Kenny, Chris, thanks guys. Cole, you know who you are. So, channel update for February. Yeah, it's been a while. A lot of this happened, but there will be some flying videos. There will be a lot of videos coming up of this car, and I hope you enjoy it. I took time to, I don't know, not really show how-tos, but just show how it can be done. Alright, get ready for new videos. Thanks for watching.